Okay, right. So we'll go through the individual narration of the story and then we'll have discussion. Individual narration, one by one you'll get up and there's no requirement to exchange any pleasantries, salutation not required. Just start off with your story, finish your story within 1 minute. Anybody taking more than 1 minute will tap from here once. Next person will take on, or the person who's speaking will keep quiet and sit down. Okay, once we have heard everybody's story, thereafter we'll go for the discussion part of it. Okay, so should we start then?
From the picture shown to us, I perceive many characters, but the main character of my story is Sheetal. She is 25-year-old and the Sarpanch of her village. She is in the positive mood and rest persons are in the negative mood. One day she went to the inspection of her village where the people around her in the market and explained their problems about they are facing in the market as their handicraft goods are not sale. Their sale are declining due to the cheap market. Machinery products are flooding the markets. So after with the help of her team, she further inquires with the other shops in the market and found it as a major problem. So she discussed it with the other sarpanch of other villages and decided to promote their handicrafts together in the form of different villages growth. And then with the help of some government schemes to promote the handicrafts, they were able to promote their items in the cities as well and sold their handicraft goods in the other villages so far. And later on, the product were sell on very good and they got the profit. After that, they felt very satisfactory and thanks Sheetal. Thank you.
That the main character was a girl. She is in a positive mood and she is almost around 26 years old. She lives all of the villages. This story is of a village known as Palampur, and there the girl, after looking several other boys in the village going to the school learning new things every day, she had the idea of going to the school to learn as whatever the boys were learning, but because of the society she was not able to go to the school at a younger age. But
so well friends, from the picture I have perceived a male and many female character. All are aged between 20 to 30 years old age. But the main protagonist of my story is male, 25 years old age and is in positive mood. The action of my story is self-defense among women. So my story goes like this. Raman, 25 years old age, and he is a social worker as well as runs a NGO. So in the recent time, he see that women are not feeling safety during evenings, that they are being suppressed by the dacoits in that area. So he take initiative to aware all the women and also inspire through self-defense. So firstly he constitute all the members and where he discuss the plan. So he hire a trainer from at a nominal price, and then he discuss about that timings of the women so that women can manage their household work as well as the training work. And in this way he also try to just aware the people through banners, posters, etc., and also take help of social media. And he also write a complaint letters to the DM so that he can fund his NGO and he can aware all the women in the society. In this way,
8 characters. The central character of my story is Mohan, who is 30 years old and is in a positive mood. The action of my story is family dispute. Mohan, who is now 30 years old, has seen his family fight with the Jha family, quarrel over a land dispute for going on of 10 years.
I have perceived 8 characters, 5 are male and 3 are female. The action of my story, and they all are in positive mood. The action of my story is preventing robbery cases. Mohan, 42 years old man, is the secretary of the Basant Kunj colony. Last night there was a robbery case in his colony and the cases are arising day by day. So in order to stop these cases, he took some measures so that he can stop such cases. First of all, he increased the number of guards at the main gate and also installed some CCTV cameras, and along with the committee members he decides to increase the maintenance fund so that he can maintain or can increase the maintenance money for to giving the people or the person who are saving the colony. So in this way he saves his people, and now everyone is enjoying and doing their business without any tension of robbery.
Hello friends, from the picture shown to us, I have perceived many characters. My main character is Rajesh, age 21, mood positive. The action of my story is performing street play to aware the society about the cleanliness and hygiene. My story starts like this. Rajesh, 21, who is pursuing BA Social Science from Lucknow University, got an interesting project from his professor that to spread awareness regarding cleanliness. As government had also launched the Swachh Bharat mission, so in support to that, students also do some initiative. So Rajesh took the project with the positive mood, and he started collecting his team. A day prior to the skit play, he decided to organize the Nukkad Natak, which is also a street play near the road. So he organized it and also decided that the dress code will be a white kurta pajama, which is the main theme of the Nukkad Natak street play. So apart from this, he also organized a camera, and apart from this, he also organized a camera and mic so that he can attain the attraction of the people and made them aware. The day came, they performed with full enthusiasm and they win, and as many competitors were also there from different colleges also. So he finished his project with a great authority and submitted by making a video recording of that particular play. He submitted it to his professor with a film.
I perceived many characters in my story, whereas the central character of my story is named Lakhan, who is 25 and is in a positive mood. Lakhan hails from Sitapur village, and he had gone out of Sitapur to Lucknow for doing his B.Ed. After completing his degree, he returned to Lucknow, returned to Sitapur, my apologies, and he found that many people over there were not having even a 10th degree pass certificate, and they were not even 10th pass. So Lakhan decided to put his degree into good use. He vowed so that he could impart education to these young adults who have not been able to get this primary education. So he, along with the Pradhan of the local Panchayat, he spread awareness as to a program which he is running for 3 months. He ensured that these people learned the syllabus which is required, and he used even modern pedagogy like using YouTube videos and also pictorial depiction for better understanding. After that, he ensured that they gave practice exams, and after that of 3 months, they passed in flying colors. So the Pradhan of the village decided that she should open up a new school for these young adults and impart education. Thank you.
Well friends, as the picture shown to us, I perceive 8 characters. 5 of them were male and 3 of them were female. My center character is Vivek of age 21 and in positive mood. Theme of my story is new agriculture techniques to increase the farm production. Vivek, a second year BSc agriculture student of Lucknow University, get to know about the decrease in the farm production in his hometown. He, being a BSc agriculture student, decided to aware the public with the help of organizing a meeting with the help of a Gram Panchayat. Firstly, he tell about the quality checkup of the soil so that to select the proper crop which is result in a good production. Also tell about the use of the organic manure rather than using a fertilizer, and tell about the long-term advantages. Also, he shows the practical uses of a new drip irrigation techniques like drip irrigation and sprinkler system, which is very helpful as they reduces the water and increases the production. At the end, it came out to be very positive result. There was a gradual increase in the production of that area, and it was a practical learning experience.
Well, friend, from the story I perceived 8 characters, in which 5 are male and 3 are females. The age of my all characters is lying between 20 to 25. Rohit, 21, is the main character of my story, and he is in positive mood. The action of my story is awareing villagers about election procedure and their right related to it. So the story goes like this. Rohit, 21, is studying in Lucknow University with the subject having political science. During second year of his graduation, he got an opportunity to aware the villagers of their surrounding area about the election procedures and their right related to it. So firstly, he had delegated his team member in the 4 groups, and he had sent them to the 4 different villages, and thereafter he has distributed, he has aware them, he had gathered all the people who were there with the help of Sarpanch, and thereafter he has aware them about the instruction, aware them about the election procedure, and also he has also tell them the right related to it, what they can demand to their representative, and thereafter after awareing them all, they have submitted their reports in the college, and after that, thank you.
I perceive a crowd, all of age between 25 to 35. Main character is Ram of age 30. Action of the story is educate people for the open defecation. On getting the information that there is an increase of the disease in the village because of increased cases of open defecation, Ram Joshi and social activists decided to educate people. Firstly, he made a team of volunteers from the villagers and take permission from the administrator of the village. Then he prepared slogans and a Nukkad Natak to educate people. For the mass spread of the information, he takes help from YouTube and media, also write articles in the newspaper. He also contact to hospitals to educate people for good hygiene and how to prevent from diseases. Within the 2 months, the cases of diseases decreases. Now the spread of malaria control, and Ram was happy with his little initiative. Thank you.
Well, friends, as the picture sent to us, I perceived a lot of characters. All of them are in positive mood, and their age is between 25 to 30. My leading character is Rahul, age 25, mood positive. He is a government official, and he is campaigning door to door and awareing people about the newly launched government scheme Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana with his allies. So he is campaigning door to door and awareing people about the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, in which people are given 2,50,000 rupees for the maintenance for their houses, and they have to spend whole money on their houses. Thank you.
Hello friends, from the picture I have perceived a number of characters. My main character is Ram, age around 25 and mood positive. And the theme of my story, the action of my story is solving the village problems. Ram, 25, he is a student. He lives in a village, and on every Saturday in his village there is a Gram Panchayat used to held every Saturday, and this time he joined the discussion, and there a lot of problems were shared by the villagers, like stray cattle and flooding in monsoon and drought in summer. And then Ram firstly listened the all problems carefully. Then he informed about the government campaigns like Kisan Fasal Bima Yojana and other, and Manrega, and also many more things. And the problems he could not solve, he also told the district magistrate about, by writing letters, and finally all the major problems of village have been solved.
Most of us talked about the awareness camps, and in villages awareness camps should be the main thing.
How many characters in the story, and who is our main character? So let's consider the girl was the main character. Her name is Sheetal, and she is 25-year-old.
But the theme should be awareness camp in villages. That is what everyone is talking about in the group.
According to the background story in the
Since we all know that there is, all of us are given that there is an awareness camp in the village, so we should think of what awareness is to be carried out in the village.
He said that is the village background, and the theme of the story is solving a water crisis in the village.
Yes, there has been water crisis. So what we can do is we can aware the villagers why performing.
But for that, we have to select the central character.
We can aware the villagers what
farming
You can also tell them about the introduction of pipelines for the drip irrigation and other.
So we need to take the help of Sarpanch and Panchayat committee as well as the
That there was the water crisis in the village.
scheme of rainwater harvesting, we can take it as an initiative and aware all the peoples, including male and females of the village.
First, we should start our story with our main character. Sarita was the Sarpanch of our village. She saw the water crisis in her village, so she go to meet the people of the village.
She first you should take the help of Sarpanch and Panchayat committee.
She's already the Sarpanch of the. She's already the Sarpanch, and she has the authority to meet the people with her team. And when she introduced the different schemes such as rainwater
agricultural reforms in the village, such as
I think water irrigation is the problem in the village, and we should go with that. Yes, I agree with Chestapa Majesti. Water irrigation is the main problem. Yes.
Okay, now pay attention here. 104. The good point about you is that your expression is all right, satisfactory. The mannerism is all right, but at the same time, your story was not. I didn't find it very relevant to the picture that was shown to you. All right, you talked about handicraft, not selling, then being sold. They was not. It was not very relevant to the picture. But nevertheless, it's okay. You are able to take it to the village level. At least you understood. It looks like a village scene. Okay. So there was no issue with you, and participation okay. Good discussion. Second part of the test also, you are okay. You are there. So from my side, it's okay being the first time. But there are a lot of aspects we could improve.
Yes, sir. Okay. So we have kept you borderline. We have not given you the clear grade. Okay. A very common observation, like box filling, you are not aware. Many of you committed error while filling box. जैसे you also did the same. आपने encircle ही नहीं किया. Right. So encircle आपको करना है. And now coming to your structure of a story, you are not aware how to draft a story precisely. Like also ये errors आपने cuttings भी किए हुए हैं. That is also you need to avoid. Very importantly, neck movement, sitting posture. कैसे आप बैठे थे? Are you aware? आप कैसे बैठे थे? वेरी इनकरेक्ट पोस्चर. ठीक है, आप एकदम ऐसे बैठे हुए थे. Whereas you are supposed to sit like this. ठीक है, maintain this. And then after completion of your narration, why you are looking towards assessor? Not supposed to look. नहीं देखना है कि मेरा कैसा परफॉर्मेंस हुआ. ओके. एंड वेरी सीरियस ऑब्जर्वेशन, आपको बिल्कुल भी स्माइल नहीं करनी है जब ग्रुप डिस्कशन शुरू हुआ था. 2 times we have noticed. दिस वे आप बहुत अच्छे परफॉर्मेंस के साथ भी यू विल गेट स्क्रीन्ड आउट. ध्यान रखना.
As a main character that you highlighted, and you were looking straight and not maintaining eye contact, was not able to go to school at young age. So somewhere you must understand what idea you are going to deliver, and learn the etiquettes and manners that maintaining eye contact, that should be very genuine, and you should not look only in one direction. You should cover everyone, because you are narrating certain idea to your group. So it's very important for you